in this area. I had really good luck this time, so. Nice thing is last time, fucking algae shit floating by the top. Not seeing this time. God damn. Got one. There we go. Quit tweaking, dude. White spinner. Goddamn. Fucking. There you go. There we go, boys. Look at this chunky. Something keeps hitting mine already.
I got one.
Get him. Oh, it's a pike. It's a pike. Do you want a glove to grab him? No, jackpot. Yeah, there's a bunch of like mid-sized pike in here. It's $1 one. Got one. Holy. Oh no. I think he's a keeper though. He's a keeper though. Oh shit, he fucking swallowed this shit. Oh, it wasn't as bad as I thought. A solid chompster. Cherry. Oh! No! You see him hit it right there? No.
What?
No. He hit it right at the top though. Come here, boy. I heard you.
2 pike of the day.
Shit, how's he got it in his mouth? Blood is never good. Look at that chunky monkey. I was gonna say, I kept feeling something hit it there. Was it weed, I swear. In my paddle tail. Damn pike biting it off. There you go. There you go, baby. Oh, he's got it. That's a pike, I'm guessing. A whole little baby boy. Come here, Mr. Pike. Oh, you got hooks that good, boy. Spit it out, bruh. Double lipped you? Holy shit. You got a mucky. There's Mr. Chomper. Oh, what's a fish on there? Oh, you seen me. Trolling spinnerbait does work. He is not happy, holy shit. Oh, he's a nice one, pretty decent. We're out of here. Look at me, boy. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, Carson. Holy cow. Holy.
Don't rush it, don't rush it.
Oh.
Oh, it's a baby one.
Why'd he hit it so hard? What the? Did you see him bend the rod?
Yeah.
He snagged himself. Are you kidding me?
They always feel bigger when you snag them.
Yeah, apparently. Wait, did you see that, or was that you? Oh. Should see how this dingling snag. Holy cow. Oh, no shit, that worked. The fuck? Holy. That's awesome. Come here, boy. Oh, fuck. Give it up, dude. Man, you got some chompers on you, boy. Fucking, where's that other glove? You did not like that crankbait, did ya? shitty ass crankbait I had. Oh, is that a fish in his mouth? It's just his tongue.